Me and Lex are getting ready to go to the possum. Come on, Lex. So let's get the possum. And there's Fatty sleeping.
It's not dead. Possum's fake dead.
Where's it at?
I think Mom knocked it out of the trash can.
No.
Wait, don't. I want to look. Is he in there?
Ah, I see him.
Okay, wait. Don't do anything. If he comes flying at me, I'll shoot it.
I just want to videotape him.
Wait. I don't see him. Candace. Shoot him. What are you seeing? Oh.
It's up! It's up! It's up! It moved its head! It's sleeping!
Sleeping!
Oh, God!
Sun, like, scorched
That's
him.
like, he thinks we're gonna vomit.
Wait, can I go on? Let's wake him up.
What?
It's up.
I know it's up!
What's your problem? Where's he at?
He's on the edge! Oh my God! He's awake!
Where?
Patty, come over here! He's right there!
Yeah.
You're not gonna be able to see him.
Don't hit it again.
What the heck?
Should I get the possum?
No. Right
It's
there.
sleeping!
I don't see it. So cute.
What you do?
Oh, God. I don't You can't see him unless you know where he is. Shut up, I know. Wait, okay, just